Hey everybody, I'm Aaron with Turnage Motors in Lexington, 4637 Augusta Road, turnagemotorco.com. Here's a clean SUV, guys. This is a full-size 2011 Nissan Armada Platinum. Platinum means it's the lowest it could have come in 2011. This has the navigation, Bluetooth, backup camera, parking sensors, running boards, chrome package, sunroof, roof bars, 20-inch rims, tow package, power lift gate, heated steering wheel, third row seat, power folding third row seat, probably more. There's a lot of things that it has. Not as much as modern day cars. This one's a couple years old, but in 2011 this was the primo $60,000 Nissan you could pick up, and it is in good shape. You can see the paint is still very good. Headlights are bright and clear. On the roof at the very top behind the sunroof, paint's a little faded right there, and there's a little scratch and dent there on the back corner, and some of the door handles have some wear on them. Other than that, she's in great shape. 207,000 miles. Super clean, super comfortable. Purrs like a kitten. AC is wonderful. There's the backup cam. Again, heated seat, heated steering wheel, power lift gate, little power vent windows, adjustable pedals, the four corner parking sensors. Books are in there. A lot of big deep storage. There's your input for your DVD player. I haven't tried that. I never guarantee old DVD players still work. Maybe it does, maybe it doesn't. We can check that for you if it's a concern. Sunroof. There's the DVD player. Let me show you the back seats a little better. Super clean once again. No issues back here. And this thing is spacious. Tons of room for the family back here in the third row. I'm 6 feet tall. I can sit in any of these three seats with plenty of room in front of me. It's kind of a silly design with these little things that cover when you lay down the seats, because they want to fall back on you. The Velcro gives out with age and they just flop. But hey, you know, old, imperfect. Thus the price. Let me fold this up and show you. Yeah, once those back seats lay down, this seat can of course tumble, or it does this other motion where it kind of collapses forward, flatter, making a flatter panel here, and then everything from the back to the front is flat for storage. Anyway, give us a call anytime, 803-853-4300. We would love to help you. turnagemotorco.com. Thanks for watching.